So what did we learn in this chapter? Well, in the world of real estate, society sometimes places pressures on who should live where. We've seen landlords, sellers, and even neighbors sometimes make judgments based on personal biases. But as brokers and salespersons, it's our job to rise above that and lead by example. We've got to maintain a solid understanding of the fair housing policy and ensure that we and our teams are always on the right side of the law. Speaking of laws, we went deep into the rich history of the fair housing laws in the U.S. We traced back to the Civil Rights Act of 1866, jumped to the groundbreaking Civil Rights Act of 1964, and landed on the important Fair Housing Act of 1968. And that's not where the story ends. Many more acts and amendments have shaped the landscape, ensuring more protected classes and rights. Oh, and New York isn't just following the national lead. We've got our own set of state laws. Remember the New York Human Rights Law? It broadens our understanding of discrimination by adding age and marital status to the mix. NYC itself offers even more layers of protection, highlighting the importance of local laws. But of course, with every rule, there are exceptions. We delved into those areas where exemptions might apply, like senior housing. Yet, it's crucial to remember there are no excuses when it comes to racial discrimination. Now, discrimination isn't just about refusing to sell or rent. It has many faces: steering, blockbusting, and even subtle differences in advertising. But knowledge is power. By understanding these, we can actively work against them and be better agents for it. Let's not forget the real-world impact of these laws. Brokers and agents carry a legal and moral responsibility. Discrimination isn't just a word. It has real, emotional consequences for individuals and hefty legal ramifications for those who break the rules. And finally, our role as real estate professionals is to be the champions of inclusivity. It's about more than just knowing the law. Role-playing and discussions help us navigate tricky situations, and understanding things like cease and desist lists and non-solicitation orders ensures we're on the right path. To sum it up, the essence of this chapter is respect and responsibility. Let's keep our dealings fair, inclusive, and knowledgeable. After all, everyone deserves a place they can call home. See you at the end of the next chapter.